Hello and welcome to another video from CBits Tech. That's how much I paid for this item. Never sure what to do. You can skip forward to the next chapter if you don't want to see the unboxing, or you can fast forward it. I'm not sure what the thumbnail is going to be. The thumbnail might have been a giveaway on this video. So let's have a look. So these are used from eBay. From a guy I've actually met before, but he doesn't know when I bought this that I've met him. So let's have a look. I think it was on an auction. It definitely was on an auction, but it was some while ago I bought it now. I don't know whether that's the... no, that's definitely not the bag it came in. Let's recycle that. So we have Victor Colour Mix 5-pack. This is a Japan exclusive one. I don't think this was available in the UK. Well, pretty obvious because it's got Japanese writing on it. Hopefully it survived the delivery. I've got pretty much every type of mini disc, apart from the really expensive ones, every type of the mini disc that they sold in the UK. So now I'm looking for things which are non-UK. Okay, what's going on? Let's have a look at the discs. Oh, I've seen these before. So I've actually got these discs, but I haven't got the case. Not that keen on the discs, to be honest. I wonder what's on them. It's always nice to have a listen and see what's on these discs. So what did we get there? Did we get 2 yellow ones? 1 purple and 2 greens. So how does this case work then? So the case is only going to push out the 3 middle discs. Okay. I think I'm missing something here. Are they supposed to go in that way, maybe? Nope. Okay, something something I'm not getting about this case. No, that's definitely how you're supposed to open it. Okay, that's a bit of a really naff design for a case, in my opinion. And it's really hard to close as well. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Are they supposed to be in their own slipcases, do you think? I don't think they are. No, they're not. They're not supposed to be in the slipcases. Wow. Well, JVC. I know it says Victor, but it's actually the Victor Japan Victor company. Pretty naff design, all sort of labels. Ooh, okay. Not my thing at all, but very pretty. Right, well, I've never seen those. Japan exclusive, and not being rude, but I'm not sure I needed to bother with those. I suppose it's a nifty little case to put in if you just want to carry 5 discs around when you pop away for the weekend. So that's it. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Hello, this is the part where you click like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I don't have sponsorships on my videos, so if you want to help me directly, you can sign up on Patreon for a small amount of money, or you can click Super Thanks to send me some money via YouTube, and that would be super. Thanks.